then you can download. Here there is some option is given, download. You can download. When you will download that, click that, it will directly save into the EndNote. Okay, so from the internet you can also import. If it is not available into the EndNote, you can also import this citation. And when you will download that, it is asking what you want to give the name. ESC, likewise in that journal name, like a transportation engineering, like a civil engineering, anything else you can put, and you can push the close button, then it will be there. So this is our 7th step of that. Okay, so this is the whole procedure of we can say that of the EndNote export. It is one of the most useful. And why I added this picture, that will be that showing that Google Scholar application. So here, whenever you cite that, it is added of the author name. Like earlier, Aishalata, I found out that Fatima, that will added into this one. So this is called, this is the credit of the author, which you are taking and you are giving to the author side, who has the research. So this is the my citation paper, or you can say Google Scholar. And now this is the last slide of this presentation, references. I have taken this whole presentation and help with the Dr. Dhruvesh P. Patel, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering Department, PDPU, Gandhinagar. The website is also given, so I want to thank to him also. Now the question, yes.
Thank you very much.
Any question?
Yeah. Any question?
Sir, I'm Ketan Lakhtaria.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask you about like what are the pros and cons if you compare EndNote and Mendeley?
As I didn't gone through, I have gone through the literature, sir, Mendeley, but I found that in Mendeley there is the procedure only. I don't know in the deep, but in a procedure way, it is very easy software EndNote export. You can say that easily it is providing the whole procedure, and Google Scholar directly import, because Mendeley I didn't use that. Anyway,
Okay.
so I didn't know about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Professor D.S. Upadhyay from GEC Godhra.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask that once I have made all the references by using this EndNote, then I am opening the same Word file in another PC in which it is not installed.
Okay.
So, if then I want to make any changes, is that possible?
No. It is not possible. But your Word file, you can say that saved a Word file will show all the references. But if you want to change that, then it is must required your connections of the EndNote with Microsoft Office. So
Okay,
it is
sir,
compulsory that your Okay.
Hello, Balya sir.
Yes.
For Google citation, facility, is it necessary to have a official mail ID that is for some from some educational institute and all?
Yeah. It is a compulsory. It will be linked because the approval is not provided by the Google Scholar. You can see if I am opening that, my email ID is my past college, SPC VNG.
Yes,
because it is a compulsory standard institution, because they are verifying that your email ID with your website, and then after it is approved.
Yeah, I think that is the main problem with all of us. Like many of us, we are having our routine mail IDs and all, but normally due to lack of those mail ID and all, even though we have contributed, we are unable to see our citations. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Any question from chat side?
In chat side, there are no question, I think. Okay, so Balya sir, you have given a very nice presentation on EndNote. Actually, for researcher perspective, EndNote software is very important for citation management. And from the session, every researcher have learned about how to manage the citation. And citation are very important because I came to know from some authentic sources that if you want to go for some foreign country like the USA with some personal residence, PR, So PR, or we can say for H1 visa, you require 1,000 plus citation. So,
Okay.
so if your paper is good, then and then you will get good citation. And for good citation, such kind of management system is required. So I am very much thankful to you because you have given very nice presentation, and it is very important for all of us. Thank you, Balya sir. So in future, surely we will do such some kind of presentation. So every researcher uh, is interested and they learn something new. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Panchal sir. And I will request also to all the participants that please fill up the feedback form so we can understand what is the improvement requirement, and as well as also that my mail ID I share here, that you can contact me if you have any doubt or site is there if you want to go to there. Another thing that Dr. Hitesh Panchal is also about, you can say, a good researcher. So you can also get
Yeah.
help from him also, because he is very far better than me for the research side. He also shared some experience regarding that. So I want to also request to all of you that you can also get a benefit from the Dr. Hitesh Panchal. I am thankful to Hitesh Panchal sir and also our principal sir and all the participants to be here and listening to me. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Okay, thank you.
Feedback ક્યાં ભરવાનું સાહેબ?